Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Toman. So last week we covered the life cycle of a plant, and this week I'm happy to go into learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. So the book we're going to read today is called Caterpillar to Butterfly, and it is written by Laura Marsh. As you can see, and through a couple pages, all these pictures are photographs. So that tells you that it's an information book or a nonfiction book, and it's going to be teaching us all about the life cycle of a butterfly. There's that. Okay, this first page here is the table of contents. Now we have seen this a lot. This is showing you where to find something on a book. For instance, we know that on page 4 there's going to be a riddle. Page 6, there's going to be all about beautiful butterflies. Now here it says 4 stages. A stage is like a part of something. That's found on page 8. So we already learned from table of contents that there are 4 stages. Stage 1 is the egg. Stage 2 is caterpillar. Stage 3 is chrysalis. And stage 4 is butterfly. On page 20, it says time for lunch, so I guess it's going to tell us what butterflies eat on page 20. Page 22, there's going to be cool butterfly facts. Page 24, it says back off. I wonder what that's going to be about. Moth or butterfly is going to be on page 26. Bring butterflies to you is page 28. What in the world is page 30? And the glossary is page 32. So let's get started. Riddle. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly? A butterfly. Page 6. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors, some have bold patterns too. Which one is your favorite? Oh, they're all so pretty. So, although this are live pictures and real pictures of butterflies, they added them into this and they drew lines to show how they fly and dive down. Okay, 4 stages. It is also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in butterfly's life. Stage 1. Egg. Stage 2, caterpillar. Stage 3, chrysalis. And this just tells you how to say it. It says say chrysalis. Stage 4, butterfly. And this is a monarch butterfly, and they labeled monarch butterfly. It says catch words, stages, steps of how something grows. It's telling you what stages. Okay, now it says stage 1, egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food, caterpillar food that is. And over here it shows you this kind of egg, but also it says here, butterfly eggs come in all different shapes. And it looks like colors as well. So the eggs are not, they all don't look the same. Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell, then it eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf and it eats that too. Page 14. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. There's the old skin there. It labeled it old skin. And here's a label that says small white butterfly caterpillar. The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 to 5 times. That's more than a snake. And a snake, I think, sheds its skin once a year. Stage 3, chrysalis. By now the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down, just like a bat. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. And then here it labels stages of a caterpillar forming is chrysalis. Can you say that, chrysalis? It's a hard word to say. Mrs. Toman has to actually stop and think about it. All right. Stage 4, butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open and the butterfly wings wiggle out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. That gets bigger and harder. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. Time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. I didn't know that. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. That is so cool. Slurp. So the catchword here is nectar. Nectar is a sugary liquid found in flowers. So the butterfly likes to drink the sugary liquid in flowers or fruits. Cool facts, cool butterfly facts. Number 1, the world's smallest butterfly is the blue phegm. It is the length of a pushpin from wing to wing, which is really small. This is fact 2. Sorry, fact 1. Butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales. What else did we learn about that was covered with tiny scales? Fact number 3, butterflies are found all over the world except in Antarctica and the driest deserts. Fact 4, there are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. That's a lot of different kinds of butterflies. Fact number 5, butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. Number 6, the world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra birdwing. It's long as a ruler from wing to wing. It's pretty big. Okay, back off. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. And we have learned that predators are animals that will eat them. Some hide using camouflage. Do you see the butterfly in this picture? There it is right there. Some can be deadly to eat. Some look like other things. Okay, here's our catchword, camouflage. An animal's natural color or shape that helps it hide from an enemy. Moth or butterfly? Here's butterfly. Butterfly antennas are thin and have little knobs at the end. The bodies are slender. They can be brightly colored, and they mostly fly during the day. So a moth, the antennas are slim to a point and look like feathers. So they have different antennas. This is a butterfly antenna, and this is a moth antenna. The bodies are fat and furry, where their bodies are slim and slender. Moths are usually brown, tan, or white. As we learned, the butterflies are brightly colored, and moths mostly fly at night. Bring butterflies to you. You can bring butterflies to your backyard by making a butterfly garden. But first, ask an adult for help. Here are the things that you need. Plants that are local to your area, plants that bloom at different times, orange and purple, yellow, pink, and red flowers. Flowers that are clustered together, flat-topped flowers, a sunny spot for butterflies to rest like a flat stone, a wet or watery spot for butterflies to drink. No chemicals which can kill butterflies or caterpillars. What in the world? These pictures show close-up views of butterfly things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. The answers are on page 31. All right, you can stop and do this. You can pause it, and you can do this on your own. And there the end. Here are the 4 vocabulary words. Camouflage, an animal's natural color or shape that helps hide it from an enemy. Nectar, a sugary fluid found in flowers. Predator, an animal that eats the other animals. And then the last one, stages, steps of how something grows. Okay, boys and girls, what I would like you to do is get a piece of paper and draw something that you have learned about caterpillars turning into butterflies. I can't wait to see your drawings. All right, I'll see you soon.